Hello everyone, I'm Vivi from Hangzhou LIEBTY Machinery Technology Company. Today I would like to introduce VOLVO's Excavator EC400. This excavator is easy to operate, fuel efficient and durable, very practical for both construction and earthwork. The VOLVO EC400 is a China 4 compliant model equipped with the time-tested engine. It has strong power and low emissions, with fuel efficiency improved by about 10% compared with the previous generation, which can greatly reduce operating costs. Its bucket size also increased, making operation more efficient. In addition, this excavator is very easy to maintain, with a long maintenance cycle and centralized lubrication points. Daily maintenance can be easily completed from the ground without spending too much time on the maintenance. The cab design is also very user-friendly, with low noise and low vibration, as well as ergonomic controls and suspended seats, so operators won't feel tired even after working for a long time. At the same time, it's fully equipped with safety features, including an ROPS escape and an emergency shutdown function, which can fully protect the operator's safety. In conclusion, the EC400 is full, efficient, durable, easy to operate, and cost-effective. Choosing it can help you improve work efficiency and reduce costs.